unboxing grinder, juicer and mixer from Amazon, which just arrived a few minutes ago. इसको खोलते हैं. Let's open it up. Okay. खोलते हैं. Alright, let's see what we got inside. Alright, bunch of papers to protect the actual box. So now we have an actual box, so let's remove it. Alright. So let's see the packaging. Well, it looks all torn out. Hopefully the inside things are all in place. I don't know why this is not or all torn out. But this doesn't matter if the things are okay. The box is in pretty bad shape. Oh, again it's probably not handled properly. Alright, so let's see, this is getting recorded. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so this is operating manual. So nothing much, simple operating procedure. Alright, and we got a brochure with their other products, I assume. Let's keep it here. Alright, so this is what, a brush to clean, I think, and then this some kind of plastic thing to probably push veggies or vegetables or fruits to squeeze juice out of them. And we got another brochure, also all their different stuff. They have stoves, they sell these chimneys, and they also have geysers and fans. Right, I didn't know that they have these other products as well. So let's put this aside. Let's get this open. So this is thermocol is all broken. I hope this has protected the mixer grinder and they're all in one piece. Alright, so what we got? So this is the first jar we have. Looks pretty sturdy. I mean, it's better than what we have at home right now, which is broken, and we really needed a replacement. And this is bigger jar. Okay, just pull it out. Okay, so this is the cover here. No, I'm still pulling them out. Okay, this comes here, this goes here, and the actual device. So let's see, let's get this out. Alright, I have the aluminum piece. Okay, it's out. Alright, so this is the actual motor, which is quite heavy. Probably roughly about 4 or maybe even 4.5 kilos. Well, the thermocol is all broken, so I guess this is why you put to protect the product. Okay, this looks fine to me. So I'll have to quickly do a test so that I can assure that this is working. So do we have a port somewhere where I can test this? None, can you bring that here? Let's let's see. Oh, just test it here quickly. Okay, well, keep your hand away. All right, a quick test, and let's see. All right, so you got high and low, or high and medium, and this is off right now. Okay, so that's low, this is high. Okay, and this is here one button to quick whip. Alright, so it's perfect. It's working fine. Hopefully it does work with all the other equipments as well. Thank you.